Hello, this is Lucy. Hello. It's our paper cutting time. This is our pattern today. Let's start. We are using three-cornered folding method. A link to a more detailed folding method is below this video. Get the folding done. The pattern is on the left. The pink area is for cutting out. Today's pattern is easy to cut, but we still need to follow the rule. Start with the inside details. Random jobs, or maybe think about which color should be on which spot, and which color will be the next. The Chinese rice paper will make two colors blend into each other nicely. I love the margin hues appear on the result. How about you? If you like it and want to see more pattern and color, subscribe now and tell me any color combination you would like to see. I will try it. Alright, see you next time.